Welcome to Happy Fasting Fun. Today, we're diving into a vibrant and nourishing world where fasting meets the goodness of nutrient-rich green juices. Get ready to explore the powerful combination of fasting and green juicing. Fasting has long been recognized for its physical and spiritual benefits, and when coupled with green juices, the results can be truly transformative. Green juices, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, complement fasting in an extraordinary way. Fasting provides a period of rest and rejuvenation for your digestive system, while green juices offer a concentrated dose of essential nutrients to support your body during this time. Imagine starting your fasting journey with a vibrant green elixir, a blend of kale, spinach, cucumber, and a hint of lemon. As you sip on this liquid vitality, you're infusing your body with a plethora of micronutrients that promote detoxification and vitality. Green juices are a fantastic way to ensure that you're not only staying hydrated during your fasting period, but also nourishing your cells with the building blocks of health. These juices are like nature's energy shots, delivering a burst of vitality that can carry you through your fasting hours. They're especially beneficial for those who may be concerned about getting enough nutrients during fasting. The vitamins and minerals in green juices support your immune system, boost energy levels, and promote overall well-being. And since they require minimal digestion, your body can readily absorb and utilize these nutrients. When crafting your green juices for fasting, opt for a variety of leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are rich in chlorophyll, which aids in detoxification and supports healthy liver function. Add in hydrating ingredients like cucumber and celery, which contribute to your overall hydration during the fasting period. A touch of lemon or ginger not only adds flavor but also provides additional health benefits, such as aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. Green juices can be particularly beneficial when breaking your fast, serving as a gentle reintroduction of nutrients to your body. Consider breaking your fast with a well-balanced green juice that includes a mix of greens, a source of healthy fats like avocado, and perhaps a touch of sweetness from apples or pears. This combination helps ease your digestive system back into action while providing the essential nutrients your body needs. It's important to listen to your body when incorporating green juices into your fasting routine. While they offer numerous benefits, everyone's needs and preferences are different. Some may prefer to enjoy green juices during their fasting period, while others might find them more satisfying as a post-fast nourishment. Remember, fasting is a personalized journey, and the goal is to find what works best for you. As you embark on the exciting fusion of fasting and green juicing, consider experimenting with different combinations of ingredients to create juices that tantalize your taste buds and fuel your body. Remember that these juices are a beautiful way to infuse your fasting experience with a burst of vitality and wellness. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Happy Fasting Fun. Whether you're fasting, juicing, or doing both, you're embracing a path of well-being that nurtures your body and spirit.